So I am going to be talking about the Regis Designline Mend the Ends and Sealer. I actually was getting a trim on my hair and I noticed this. And this is before when I found out other products for to make my hair soft, especially the color part of my hair. And my hair was actually in its vibrant colors. So I was like, oh my gosh, is this going to wash my hair color out? Is this going to be too harsh? Is it going to strip it out? You know, just all kind of crazy thoughts. But I was like, okay, I want my ends to be soft and I want my ends to stay healthy and I want my ends to remain soft. So I was like, okay, I'll give this a try. I'm just going to say right now that this smells good. It smells sweet. This stuff, it smells good. I'm not even joking. Like, I smelled it a couple of times. Took the top off and I was smelling. I was like, ooh, this smells good. And then I smelled it again. I was like, this really smells good. And I smelled it the third time. I was like, okay, can you just get it? You know, because it seems like you really like it. But anyway, it does make my hair, especially the ends, really soft. And this is how you use it. I'll apply it on here. Okay, so let's see right here. Boom. Okay. So it deeply repairs split ends with a filler action. And I like that it's fortified with keratin. Now, I feel like for it to say weaker damages, I feel like, okay, that's a little harsh. If you have healthy hair, I mean, I'm pretty sure you can use this too, but I think one of the reasons why they're saying, you know, targeting damage ends or weak is because of the protein that's lost in the hair. So I don't know. I guess if your hair was already healthy, it would be too much protein where it can maybe make your hair brittle, or it can revert to another different, I don't know, would I say maybe status of your hair, or just change how your hair is. But anyway, I mean, if your hair is healthy, I'm pretty sure this won't do a lot of damage to your healthy hair, you know, especially if you don't apply all the time. I heard that if you apply keratin to your hair a lot, that's not really good. But I mean, everybody's different, you know, everybody's hair is different. Everybody's hair take things differently. So I mean, I don't know, but these are the hair benefits from applying this stuff. Is moisturizing and is strengthening and your hair concern. Like I said before, you can use for normal damaged hair. That's why I was saying, yeah, your hair ain't necessarily gotta be damaged. And you apply a sealer on damaged ends prior to drying or styling. Repeat daily to keep hair soft, moisturized, and protected. On the back, it does say, I believe it says like apply to, prior to dry or styling. I actually applied this on my hair, on the ends of it, like literally right after I got a trim. So it didn't revert my hair back to this curly state. I mean, my hair was still straight. And I noticed that it was soft at the ends. I haven't used it anywhere in my hair except for my ends. But I know some people, they might be like, I can use this on my whole head. I haven't did that yet. But this is what it looks like when it's coming out the bottle. And I really did that quick. Okay, there we go. But you can see it kind of has like a gel consistency to it. Did I say it? Consistency? Yeah, there we go. And it's really easy to apply on. That's why I was kind of concerned at first, like, was my straight hair was gonna revert back to its natural state, because I thought this does look watered down, but it didn't. If anything, it just made it soft. Like, it made it, what did it do? Okay, it looked like my hair had some wetness to it, but it didn't look wet, if that makes sense. So, and then after when it dried on the ends, it was soft. I mean, it was probably cold, because it does have like a cold feel to it, but I think it's because of where I had it at and the temperature of the state and whatnot. But anyway, yeah, that was one of my concerns. Like, was my hair gonna be curly? But it didn't revert my hair back at all to curliness. And you can see on my thumb, like, what it looks like. And then you just kind of smooth it in. And it smells good too. Like some type of I don't know, hair cream. And I wouldn't necessarily think of this as a gel, but it kind of feels like one. It does feel like a water based product, I think, just because of how it feels. But I mean, it won't mess up your style. But if you're concerned, I mean, do this before you blow dry your hair, if you're really that concerned on if it's going to revert your hair back to this curly state. But anyway, if you're concerned about, you know, your ends, try the Regis Designline Mint the End Ends Sealer. It should work. Praying it worked for me.